Hi, folks. Let's talk for a moment about the course project. As you know, I've asked you to create 4 or 5 page business focused website. If you need a refresher on the project details, check out the video from week 1 to get a recap. I thought it was a pretty exciting video and definitely worth a second viewing. Okay, maybe exciting was a bit of a stretch, but I thought it was informative and slightly entertaining. Okay, so about that website, it needs to have 4 or 5 pages, which we're going to flesh out as much content on as possible this week. You have 4 mandatory pages, which are an index page, a contact page, a services or products page, and a blog page. And you have an optional page of your choosing, which you can go crazy on. Okay, no old guy in Speedo pics kind of crazy, but you get to have a lot of fun with this one. I hope you've come up with some good content ideas, because this week I want you to create as much content for your site as possible. So, content. Content is all the headings, text, images, etc. that your pages will contain. For example, your contact page has all of your contact information. Like your phone number, your address, your Google Map embedded your location, and carrier pigeon instructions. So, your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to type up all of the headings and content for your pages. Since we're going to be using images, you'll want to have those ready as well. As we'll be revising the project throughout the course, I'll expect you to be making some changes. But my goal here is to have you at about 90% of the way to having your content in place. The more ready your content is, the better, as you won't have to go and redo a bunch of code later on. Here's how you do this assignment. 1. You develop the content for all of your pages. That is, all of the headings, text, and images you think that you'll need. Make sure to keep things simple. I won't give you word counts, but if you have to scroll endlessly to get to the bottom of your page, there's way too much content in there. Likewise, if there is a sentence of content that's just too short, so just use common sense in determining how much content you really need. 2. Use Word or Pages to create the files per web page. For example, your index page would have the file name todd_jameson_index.docx or pages. To submit, all you need to do is zip up your files and images and submit them as an attachment in assignment week 2 project in the assignment section. So I'll read all of your submissions and offer some feedback in the comments. So make sure to check those comments, okay? Remember, your main goal here is to have as much of your content ready as possible. The more changes you have to make later just add to the development process, leading to confusion, nausea, headaches, and sudden death from HTML asphyxiation. Okay, maybe not that last thing, but it sure can seem like it. So just have virtually all of your content ready to go, and you'll be good, okay?